I discovered a pretty interesting new website called media.io. It has a bevy of tools which are pretty interesting. So let's take a look. They should be free, but I'm not sure how well they work. Let's try this Vid Background Remover. So, it's pretty self-explanatory. I think it detects faces and removes the background. Let's see. So I'll just upload a test video, maybe one of my shorts that I've made. Oh, it requires a Wondershare ID. So this belongs to Wondershare then. Okay, cool. I don't have an ID, so let me create a free account. And there we go. Let's upload a short video. It's uploading and processing. This video is under a minute, obviously, so it shouldn't take too long. Oh wow, there it is. The quality isn't anything great and seems like I can only download the first 10 seconds as a preview. But it's going through the video, detecting faces, and then removing the background around those faces. And it's doing a decent job, in my opinion, even with weird hair like mine. But I guess it works for some situations. I wish the quality was a little bit more, and I wish they would allow some downloads at least. Like a monthly quota would have been nice, maybe 5 minutes a month or something. But this will only allow 10-second previews, which is okay for super short shorts, but not really good for anything else. I guess this can kind of compensate if you don't have a green screen or a blue screen background, which you can chroma key using your editing software. Honestly, I would rather chroma key because it gives you better results than this. Anyway, let's move on to something else. Image upscaler, we've seen those things in other places too. Let's explore more tools. Online video editor, yeah, we've seen a bunch of those as well. I expect it should work well. I see a lot of features. That's cool. Reversing, rotating, flip, crop. I don't get why they are individual tools. This can all be in a single page, in a single editor, but okay, I guess this is easier to access. Text to audio. Oh, okay, so they have a TTS as well, text to speech, one of those AI voice synthesis things. Let's try it out. All right, I'll type some text and select a model. I think that one fits better. So when you click generate for the first time, it'll ask you some screening questions like what are you using this for and all that. Let's give it some answers, and I think I have to click generate again. Okay, and there you go.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
It's on par with what I expected. It's pretty good actually. And you can even directly load this onto a timeline and edit a video right then and there. That's pretty cool. You can generate audio and edit the video in a same page. I'll actually upload some videos to this too. This is the biggest headache of these online editors, that you have to upload videos and wait for them to be uploaded to the server. If you have a super fast internet, I guess it's fine. But this is the biggest time consuming thing. But anyway, once it's uploaded, you can see it's pretty smooth. It doesn't have any issues, no lags or anything. It responds very well. I'll quickly edit this video. Oh man, there's a restriction for exporting as well. Really? You'll have a watermark of media.io. Come on. At least give me some minutes without watermarks. Anyway, let's go back to the workspace and let's see what else we got. Oh, I see something interesting. Watermark remover, and it works with videos as well. I wonder if I can go back to my own original timeline and export that video with the watermark, with the media.io watermark, and then use that exported video in this remover tool to remove the watermark. Let's see if it works. Wait for it to process. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, it's done, and hey, it worked. Let's download it and take a closer look. Wow, it actually did a pretty good job, except for a few frames where you can kind of see it. But overall, it has gone, frame by frame, and it has used the content aware fill, which Photoshop has, and it has applied it across all of these frames pretty well, Damn, so, well boys, we found a loophole. You can actually export videos for free with watermarks and then remove it using their own tool. Of course, the quality might suffer with this free version, but hey, free is free, right? Anyway, jokes aside, media.io is a pretty dope website. Go ahead, take a look. It's media.io. I'll link it in the description. There are tons and tons of tools. I don't want to make like a 2-hour video on these, so I'll let you explore them on your own time. Let me know what you think.